I should clear that though, right? Oh, I'll clear this one for sure. Causing shenanigans. Oh, there it is. Whoa, rock. Oh, I'm gonna get fucking shit all in my socks. I gotta get out of here before someone calls it in. See, like that giant fucking boulder. If you hear a boop boop, just don't look. Oh, look at this. It's like someone knew I was coming. Oh, bitchin'. Slippery. And I'm wearing Converse. You know what the best shoes to wear when you're dual sporting are? Fucking Converse. Chuck Taylor All-Stars, bitches, right there. That's what you want to wear. They got the best traction in the world for loose dirt, sand, mud. That's a dead end. So whenever you want to get into some shenanigans, make sure you got your Chuck Taylors on. And hey, they're high tops, right? Counts for something. All right. Worth fair. All right, so you can see, I'm 6'6". Prop the bike up. So here's a general idea of the height you're looking at. I'm good with it. Could tell. I mean, look at that. I'm standing straight up, holding the bars. I'm not even bending down. So like to push this around, it's in gear, but get the idea. Real easy. Gonna get on it. Now I put these new bags on right here, the side bags, because before I had a top tote, and it just didn't look cool. It's from the Home Depot. So I got some rear crash bars, or the pannier racks, and then these are just from Lowe's. They're just like toolboxes. They were $20 each. And they just look like kind of ammo containers, but they're kind of plastic, so they might fuck up if I drop it, but looks good. And to get on, I kind of got to swing a little wider because they're on there now, so gotta just kind of look out for that. So there's my height right there, 6'6". God damn it, gear. And you can see feet are flat. I'm good to go. Just kind of cruising. But you can see how low the windshield is. So, and if you're taller, if you're 6'8", you're going to catch a lot more. But I think if I had something that's right about here, just to stop it from the chest at least, and I can bring my head down, then it'll be good. And I'll see if I can stand up on this once, like this. Just kind of get an idea. Woo! So, if you're dual sporting like that, and your legs are locked and your arms are locked and you're trying to ride, then you're hunched over. I see the videos of the guys when they're doing this and they're kind of like, riding like this, just kind of leaning into the tank. And I guess if the bars are a little higher, that'd be kind of cool. But as an everyday rider, if you're doing that, then the bars would be here. And I don't know, I guess I'd have to sit on it. I don't want to commit to commit to the risers if I'm not sure I'm gonna like it, because I'd rather have this more comfortable than, you know, just kind of riding around like this, because that just seems kind of weird. Oh, that's about it though. It's a perfect tall man's bike though. This bike is like designed for a tall guy. You know, I mean, I even see some shorter bikes with some shorter dudes that, you know, they got a tippy toe on them, and you know, it's if you're 5'6", I don't know, you'd have to get a lower seat, the seat that carves down, or that kind of cuts down into it. But you know, some peg risers, I don't know what they have. I just know that this thing was designed for me, in my opinion. And there she is. Now, let's go get into some shenanigans. Alright, yeah, see, I'm standing, my legs are straight, but I'm hunched over too much. I'm not like, ugh, you know, I don't want to chance it, because I'm just, my posture's so twisted. So your risers would, I mean, I guess they'd help, but yeah, I really don't want to wait, I came a different way. Oh no, I came, I don't want to sacrifice too much of the grippage. Alright, we're going up on that hill. You could tell this when all that, we had a bunch of rain a couple months ago, or a month or so ago. It's all got, looks like some people came in after. This log used to block this road. Looks like someone moved it. Oh shit. Oh yeah, fuck it. That's doable. Unless you fucking stall. God damn it, dude. These are all just lots, huh? Yeah, fuck, dude. What happened up here? Used to be like legit property. It's so bizarre. Like no one wanted to stay up here? I'd live up here. I mean, look at all the fun I'm having. Is it smart to ride in the track? I guess it is, huh? Ooh. Gotta ease up on that back brake. Jesus. I don't know where the road is. Oh, this fucking... Alright, here we go. Holy shit. It's sketchy when there's like... The brush overtakes the road. You don't know if there's a rock there or if there's just a fucking hole. You don't know what's going on. This log... Oh man, a bunch of people move this shit. That log used to block the road, and cars couldn't get through. Yeah, get it. Get it.